Okay guys, I just want to review finding common factors. So if we were looking for the list all the factors of these two things, of 24 and 36, you just go down the list. So 24, you go 1 times something, 2 times something, 3 times something, 4 times something. Okay, so 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6, 5 times does not work, and 6 repeats. So we're done because 6 is right here, right? And so these are the factors of 24, and we would list them. You can see they wrote them right here. They wrote them in order, and we go in this order here. We start with 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 6, and then 8, and then 12 and 24. Just go in this order right here. And you'll notice they did the same thing for 36 over here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you'll notice 6 repeats. So I'm not sure why they did this, because 6 are repeated. They didn't have to keep going because 9 repeats, and boom, there it is. Okay, so once you repeat, you don't have to keep going. So then they listed these in this order, and they listed them right here. Okay. Then what they did was they decided, well, we want to find the greatest common factor. And so they went through this list, and they found the common ones. Well, 2 were in common, 3 were in common, 4 was in common, 6 was in common, and 12 was in common. Well, the greatest common factor there is 12. Okay, and that's what we're looking for each of these things. So if we go down here, we're going to do the same thing with 10 and 16. We would start with 10. All right, 1 times something, 2 times something, 3 times something, 4 times something, 5 times something. Okay, well, 1 times 10, 2 times 5, 3 doesn't work, 4 doesn't go into 10, and 5 repeats, so I can get rid of it. And these are my factors. So I got 1, 2, 5, and 10. Then I'm going to do the same thing with 16, because we got factors of 16. So I'm going to go, all right, 1 times what? 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 3 doesn't work, and 4 times 4. So those are my factors. So I got 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Those are all the factors. And so my greatest common factor of those, the only one they have in common actually, is 2. So that's my greatest common factor. Okay? And that's what I do there. So I want you to go ahead and try to do the rest of these on these next. I will send this document to you on Classroom. A couple pages here.